Namaste. We are from Kranthi Keen coaching Sainik, Navodaya and RMS. Here we are providing online coaching and residential also we have and offline coaching also. First today I am going to explain some of the important sums. In that important sums, so many students mostly commonly they will do the some of the mistakes. Means suppose the student is not reading properly the question. The main reason is student completely he will not read the question. First thing I will explain first one question that is important as well as reading is also important for this question. Here see the perimeter of the square is 52 centimeters. Then find the area of the square. Find the area of the square. Here they ask. Actually in the question if you observe they gave the perimeter. Perimeter formula here P equals to 4 into S. P equals to 4 into S. But here, find the area. Area formula, what is the square area? S into S. But in the question, they didn't give the side. First, we need to find the side of the square. Then, from which formula we need to find means perimeter formula. Here, 4 into S equals to 52 centimeters. Then, S equals to 52 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. Here we got the answer S equals to 30. 13 we got. Here what the children will make the mistake is think directly first they find the side. 13 is they got. They will see the answer options in the 13. It will not available. They will get the confusion and other. Then you need to find the area here 13 into 13. 13 into 13 equals to 169 centimeter square. 169 centimeter square. Here the option is C. Actually here one mistake. 169 centimeter square is the option. The answer. But most of the students what they did directly they will take 52 into 50 they will do. They will not get the answer from options. They will do this type of mistakes. And next here if you take next question, second question, find the circumference of the circle whose radius is 56. In the circle also actually in the if you want to find the circle anything circumference or area, we need to know the formula is very important. Most of the children confused about the circumference and area formula. Actually here circumference formula is 2 pi r and area formula is pi r square. Here pi value is 22 by 7. Then circumference 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.6. Then do the cancellation. 7 ones are 0.8 because 7 8s are 56. Then do the multiplication. 2 2s are 44. 44 into 0.8. Then 8 4 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 3. 352. Then 1 decimal we will get. Means 35.2 centimeters. Here one more important sum. If you see here, one more important sum. Here find the perimeter of the following figure. If you observe old RMS and Sainik papers, actually most of the questions are concentrating from geometry. They are giving the questions from geometry. After, if you see the 2024 latest paper, otherwise 23, 22, 21, most of the questions coming from the geometry and little bit difficult they are giving. And then next question here, find the perimeter of the following figure. They gave the figure, they are asking the perimeter. What the children think suppose perimeter means they thought square, rectangle, triangle like that. They know the formulas of that. But in the exam, they are giving the different pictures. In that, how to find the perimeter, they have to know. Here, perimeter, they gave the figure here. They gave the figure. Then, perimeter is nothing but sides of the figure. Means, if you add sides of the figure, we will get the perimeter. Then here already they gave this figure. We no need of the, for this question, no need of the formula. loss. For this question, no need of the formulas. Formulas means here then you can add directly these sides. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 5, 18 plus 2. 22 centimeters is the answer. Nowadays, if you see the old question papers, we are getting the questions from geometry. Geometry is greater than normal arithmetic questions. In that, compulsory they are asking about the perimeters and areas, and they are concentrating so much on perimeters, areas, and circles. These are all. And angles also they are concentrating. Here, first of all, here 22 centimeters, and all the children have to check these. Units also very important. Unit is a very important for the question. And next here, yes, next here, this is the most important question. Here, most of the examples in the number systems we know already. Number systems in the most of the questions is concentrating theoretically. Theoretically means they are asking about the integers, otherwise negative and positive numbers. Some that time a student will get the confusion. See here, some of the two negative is always what they asked. Then here the student has to understand the question what they gave. Some of the negative, what will happen? Every time, suppose directly, without thinking, the student will keep positive. Why? Because sum is nothing but addition. But here they are asking in the question, some of the two negatives are the same category. For example, I am taking two numbers, suppose minus 3 and minus 1. We need to add. Sum is nothing but plus. All will keep positive only. But they are not asking the what the will come. Here minus 3 plus 3 means here minus 3 plus into minus always minus, then minus 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 8. If you take any examples, not only these numbers, take two negative numbers, add. You will get the answer is always negative only. Negative number. If you add the two positive numbers, you will get the positive only. This type of question, statement type of questions covering so much in the old papers also. Like they will ask like some of the two even numbers what will come, some of the two prime numbers what will come, some of the two odd numbers what is will come. Like that, these type of statement questions are asking so much. And one more type in the number systems, they are asking like true or false. Means matching also they are asking. Means addition of two even numbers what, addition of even and odd, and multiplication of even and odd. This statement question is compulsory covering the in the RMS and Sainik. Okay, the answer is for this question negative. And next, one more is also important. Here, see here, ninth one. Here, that 125 divided by minus 25 is equals. Okay. Here, 125 divided by minus 25 is equals to 1. Actually, these questions will be useful for the next coming exam, RMS Entrance Exam 2025, Sainik 2025. For follow the more important questions, follow our channel Kranthi Keen Coaching in YouTube. We will upload so many questions, so many important tips in on our YouTube channel. See here one more question. 125 divided by minus 25. Now only we discussed about the negative and negative, the addition of the negative and negative. Now here division is there. Division is there. What is the first 125 divided by minus 25? You have to know plus divided by minus nothing but minus only. Plus divided by minus nothing but minus only. Here 21, 25, 25 ones are 25 fives are. Here plus divided by minus 5. The value is minus 5. This is also one important question. This question is comes under number system and it is comes under the chapter of integers. Integers it is. The integers is nothing but Negative and positive of the numbers is we discussing on the negative and positive numbers is the integers. And next, in the fractions, compulsory they are giving the one basic question. Compulsory they are giving the one basic question. That is also it's we need to find what type of fraction. What type of fractions? We have the type of fractions, 7 fractions in that proper fraction, improper fraction, and like fractions, and descending and unlike fractions, unit fraction, and unit fraction. Unit fraction is the one of the very important question. Or I think most of the in the Sainik exam compulsory they used to ask even year after year. What is the unit fraction? Most of the people are thinking about unit is fraction is nothing, but if the numerator is having one is nothing but unit fraction. But then the denominator also depends. Suppose if you take 1 by 10 in the option, this is not at all unit fraction. This is the decimal fraction. The confusion they will give in the option, suppose 1 by 9, this is the unit fraction. The numerator, what is the one having, that is the unit fraction except decimals, means 10, 100,000, 10,000. Now, we will go for this question, which of the following is the proper fraction? Here, they gave the 4 options. In that, we need to find the proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? We know the proper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but less than 1 and the numerator is smaller than greater than. You have to know idea about the total types of fractions. What is the fractions? Here numerator. Suppose if you take the first option, 7 is big and 5 is small. Means numerator is greater than denominator. Means this is not the right answer. If you take this also, this is not the correct answer. Here, if you take 4 by 7, 4 is less than 7. Is nothing but per fraction. The answer is proper fraction. And next one more is also in the fraction. It comes under one more important. What is the reciprocal of 1, 2 by 3? If the children here, they will be through the small mistake here, directly they will take nothing. Reciprocal they know. What they know, reciprocal is nothing but numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That time what they will do, this 1 will be same, they will keep, and this 2 by 3 will reverse. In the options they gave that answer. Most of the children do this only wrong actually. They will keep directly 1, 3 by 2. But it's absolutely wrong. Whenever we are giving they will give the mixed fractions reciprocal. That time we need to convert into that improper fraction. After we need to write the mixed reciprocal. Suppose 1, 2 by 3. 1, 2 by 3 is nothing but 1, 3 is a 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. Now what is the reciprocal of 5 by 3? 3 by 4. Here the answer is this, not this. 1 3 by 3 is 1 3 by 2 is absolutely wrong. The answer is 3 by 5. But children will keep like that directly. They will see that this 1 2 by 3 is the question, and they will see this. They need to change. They will change and they will keep this. This is absolutely wrong. The answer is 3 by 5. Next, one more. This is a very important question in the decimals. Decimals compulsory they will ask which is the greater, which is the smaller, which is the smaller. Okay. Which one of the following is the greater? Here they asked. Actually, decimals greatest, which is the greater, which is the, this is the 5.0 and 0.05, 0.5, 0.005. These are the decimal numbers. Then you have to check the hundreds place, thousands place, and tens place and units place. Here 5.0 is nothing but 5. This is the whole number. These are all the decimals numbers. Is then the answer will be the 5. Checking of the decimals is the most toughest part for the 5th class students. Actually, 10 years kids for the decimals, they will confuse so much because they know about the whole numbers, how to write the descending order, how to write the ascending order. But they are very tough to select the decimal ones, which one is the greatest, which one is the We need to train for this clearly for the students. And next here, one more. This is also one important question. Here, 7 rupees paisa can be written as. You need to this question convert into rupees. They are asking to convert into rupees. Already in the question, they gave the 7 rupees, but 7 paisa they gave. They gave 7 paisa. We need to convert into the rupees. 7 paisa is converting in the rupees means 7 by 100. 7 by 100 means 0.07. 0.07. Here, actually 0.07 is nothing but 7.07. Here answer is 7.07. If you want the coaching for online or offline in our institute, okay, you can contact our channel. We described our number also. Call that number. Actually, online batches are started. We are going to start new batch on June 15th onwards. If you want for the RMS coaching, we are maintaining special RMS batch. If you want RMS coaching, you can contact immediately. We are going to start the new batch. Already one batch we are continuing. Next second batch is it is going to start. And next one more question, important question here. Sometimes in the exam paper, they are asking directly formulas. Formulas also they will ask like here the area of the triangle they ask. The area of the triangle, it is very easy question. But in the options if you see, they gave the base into height, half into base into height, half into base plus height, base plus height. Actually, they trained like that in the classroom. What is the area of the triangle means half into B into H. Half into B into H means they have to know the what is a B for what, H for what they have to know. B for base, H for height. Here half into base into height means yes. Means we need to thorough the formulas is also very important. And next one more conversation of the units. Conversation of the units is also little bit tough topic and most of almost out of 100%, 90% of the students will do wrong in the conversation of units compulsory. Whatever they well trained also, they mostly will do the wrong in this question, conversation of the units. In exams, competitive exam, they will concentrate most in the units also. Here, they gave the 1 meter square. We need to convert. They didn't ask anything. They gave the sum of the option. So which unit we need to convert? They didn't give any hint. We need to do question. These are totally based on the options. Means how we will convert centimeters or decimeters or kilometers. Here, if you observe, 3 options. This is the centimeter. This is the centimeter. This is the centimeter. This is the meter square. Means we need to convert this question is centimeters only. Then 1 meter equals to, we know already 100 centimeter. Okay. Here meter square is this. Means meter into meter equals to centimeter. Means 100 into centimeter. 100 into 100, what is the value? 10,000 centimeter square. Where is the answer? 10,000. D is the answer. In the choosing of this type of question, choosing of the options is the difficult for the students. Why? Here, if you see the question, here 100 is there, here 1000 is there, here 10,000 is there, here 10,000 is there. Here in the C and D, we have the two 10,000. Directly, they will do the students without seeing the units. They will say directly question. Here is 10,000 is there, here is 10,000. They will give first directly, they got the 10,000, they will round up this. But it is absolutely correct. They need to do the units also. Here meter is there, here meter is there. How it is possible to meter to meter? Then they have to see the centimeter square. We need to develop the child seeing of the units also. In the maths, when they are preparing for the exam, this type of competition, we need to develop the observe the units is the main important. Observing the units is the main important. How to observe the, how to convert, how to observe the units. These all will train in our coaching also. We will try and we will concentrate most of the times in this also. And next here, one more question. Here, find that this is I told you most of the questions this time they are covering for the most of the questions in the geometry. Yes. Here one more. Here one more. Find the value of the find the value of the x. Yes, in the find the value of the x here they are asking. Here, find the value of the x is nothing but here x place is the angles also concentrating so much nowadays. Here, fine. This is the triangle, this is the outside of the triangle. Total this triangle is 180 means this answer is 180 minus 110 70 degrees. 70 degrees is the this is the answer. And next there, the inner triangles of this triangle is 180 degrees. Already we have 70, 50. 70 plus 50 is nothing but 120. 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. The answer is 60 degrees. This question is also important and finding what they will take in the students here directly. Here also they will take as a 110. 110 they will take and next they will do 110 plus 50, 160. 180 minus 160 is they will take check 130 degrees like that. And next 22 complementary angles, supplementary angles. It is also very important in the angles. The complementary, supplementary. What is the complementary? What is the supplementary? We need to, so based on the children, they will confuse complementary and nothing. Means we need to remember that complementary is nothing but 90 degrees, supplementary is nothing but 180 degrees. Here, complementary angle of 63 degrees they asked. Complementary. Some of the students will take 180 minus 63 degrees, but complementary is nothing but 90 degrees. 90 degrees minus 63 equals to 27 degrees. Here 27. And supplementary 180 minus 105 is nothing but here 75 degrees. Answer is 75 degrees. Okay. Next we will go through the next of the one lengthy questions. Means here they will give the question is lengthy, but if they read the question properly, they can do very easily. The question is a lengthy question. Here see, the piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One was 1 by 4 meter. How long is the other piece? Here, the understanding of the question is very important and reading of the question is also important. Most of the kids, what they will do, one piece divided into two pieces, they will understand, they will do 7 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. Here, common mistake all of the students will do. But here, they need to do not division. They need to do here uh, minus subtraction. They need to do here subtraction. Why? Because one piece of meter, one is a meter, one wire is meter 7 by 8. In that they converted into two parts but not equal. They convert to one half is removed. Means half we need to minus 1 by. Take the LCM into 2 into 2. Check here 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. The answer is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is the answer. Here the answer is 5 by 8. Next here, one more question is also this type only. Rakesh had y by 6 of the cake. He ate 2 by 3 at it. The part of the cake he ate. The part of the cake did he eat. Here see, actually this question is we did subtraction. Why? Because 7 by 8 converted into broke into two pieces. One is the 1 by 4. Remaining we need to do the subtraction. But here the question is completely different. What they asked total is the 5 by 6k. 5 by 6k. And next he ate 2/3. What part of the did he ate? And means we need to find the part. That time we need to do the division. What he ate? 2/3. Means 2/3 divided by 5 by 6. Means how much he ate? Total cake, what is we need to do the part. That only here the important is this question. We need to read the and understanding of the question is very important. Suppose here 1 meter long broke into two pieces. One is 1/4 meter long here. Means 1 meter, one wire here they took, 1/4 they broke. Means remaining they are asking. Means here they will need to do the subtraction. But directly children will do here division. Here they will do subtraction. That only important. Reading of the question, understanding of the question. Means every student, if they when they are reading the question, that time they have to imagine in their mind what they are doing. Here see, Rakesh had 5 by 6 of means. He had the cake 5 by 6. In that 2/3 he ate. What is the cake did have? Means he ate 2/3 5 by 6. Means total 2/3 into 6 by 5. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Means 4 by 5 pot he ate. 4 by 5 pot he ate. Here, what pot did he eat? 4 by 5 is the answer actually here. Okay. Next. Next here, one more. This is also important. So much. This question is our real life calculation. It is equals to our real. Here, the cost of the fencing, rectangular park of length 175 meters, breadth 125 meters, at the rate of 12 per meter. Here, rectangular park. They have the rectangular park. Okay. Rectangular park, length is 175 meters and breadth is 125 meters. What they want to do here? They want to do the fencing. Fencing meaning is nothing but around, not inside. Around fencing is not inside. Around means around. Surrounding is nothing but we need to find the perimeter. Perimeter is here. What is the formula of the perimeter? 2 of L plus B. 2 L equals to 175 plus 125. 2 into 300 means 600 meters they need to do mention. Why we took in the formula 2 means in this garden we have the 2 lanes, we have the 2 breadths. Okay, we need to do total fencing. 600 meters we need to. What they are asking, cost. Cost is always, whenever if the cost word will come, that is related to rupees only. That is rupees only. Means 600. 1 meter, what is the cost here? 12. 12 into 6, 72. 7,200 is the answer. Here, if you see the options, A, B, C, D. Here, 720 is there, 7,200 is there, 600 is there, 300 is. Suppose if one student is not reading properly, that time they got the 600 perimeter, they will give directly 600 answer. They didn't wait for another what cost. They will not find the cost because they actually they will find the perimeter 600. Okay, I got the answer. 600 is in the option. That's why they will give 600 only. They will think other. Then suppose if one more student, they will do first into 12, 7,200 he got. That time also, it also they will confuse. 720 is there, 7,200 is there. Then what they have to choose? Choosing the right answer is also to success is the best choice. Student, the right answer is very important for the student to success because any brilliant student also, any intelligent students also, sometimes they will choose the option incorrectly. Most of the questions they will lose like that. Here the answer is 7,200. And next, questions and what only student will where they will do the mistakes I explained. But Here, these questions not only important for the RMS Sainik Navodaya who are preparing. Every child who is studying the 6th, 7th stand, they will go to some of the Olympiad exams, any competitive exams. It will be useful for them. Not only for this Navinak knowledge. Everybody watch more videos, this type of videos. Follow our channel. You will get more videos. And who are preparing for the competitive exams like not only NSOs, Olympiads, anything. NTSC also national talent test. For that test, it will be very useful. You will get 5 marks more only. Anybody want the online or offline coaching, you can contact us. The new batches are going to start. Thank you.